Yay, I'm making another trip to Amazon Fresh. Fresh. Hi everyone, good morning. Actually, I don't need my mask because it is 7:05 right now. I'm here in Irvine, California, and this is Amazon Fresh. They just opened up. It is like 7:10 right now, right here in the early morning. And I'm gonna go check it out and give you guys a quick tour, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. This is the second week that it's open, so it's like day 8 or day 9 of the official grand opening. So I love to show you guys around. So I just got my tutorial. This is the dash cart. Let me turn the camera around. See, that's the big scanner thing. There was another scanner here. I guess there are a lot of cameras built in. It's not a super big cart. You can see, I'm gonna put my hand across here, so it's around the length of my hand. It's roughly the width of my forearm too. It's a sleek little dash cart. And the way I'm explained is there's cameras here to detect stuff, and this is also a scale. So you put stuff in there, it weighs it for you automatically, and it puts it into here. And right now, this is linked to my Amazon Prime. So that's the dash card. All right, let me ask Alexa.
Your device is offline. Your device is offline. To connect, swipe down from the top of your screen. Then go to Settings, Network.
Alexa, are you broken?
Your device is offline.
I think she's
to
broken.
Connect, swipe down from the top of your screen. Then go to Settings.
So I just talked to the store manager here. I won't disclose his name because he's not allowed to be on camera. And I just talked to some managers over at Frito-Lay. Here's a fun fact. The reason they chose this store, it's very simple. Amazon chose this specific location here in Irvine, California, because here within a 5-mile radius has the largest concentration of Amazon Prime members. So Irvine and Tustin, if you guys are within a 5-mile radius of here, thank you, because the only reason they chose this spot is because there's just a lot of Prime members right here in this location. Let's go.
We're just gonna walk into the screen lane. All you gotta do is your receipt.
Take your back.
Double check everything's accurate and to your liking.
Okay, so that's
You're good to go. Awesome. Sadly, expensive toys cannot leave the store, but you can carry, right? You're a big, strong man.
yeah. Sorry, what's this saying? This cart is currently undergoing maintenance.
We have updates that tend to ship in between customers sometimes.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
So don't worry about that.
Hi everyone, it's me again. I am at Whole Foods today. I think it's like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, something like that. So this is the biggest Whole Foods here in Tustin, right next to Irvine. You can see this is a lot bigger than Amazon Fresh, and there's a lot more selection of everything. So there's a lot more fridges, there's a lot more selection here at the food bar, the pizza. I forgot how big this place was, because I don't come here all the time. I've been here maybe 10 times. It's absolutely huge here. There's a section just on cheese. So that's it. That's the show, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know, hey, you know, are you an Amazon Prime member? Are you interested in coming here? Are you gonna come take a look? You know, let me know. And are you gonna check out this hot slice cool price for $1.79? Or are you gonna check out these Go Bananas for 15 cents a piece? You know, it's Amazon Fresh, so who knows? Alright, you guys have a good one. Please